Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Gold, this one. So here we have like all the colors for comparison. So we have graphite, black, we have Pacific blue, we have silver, and we have gold. Let's compare them on the sides. This logo different color. This side is the easiest to figure. The front picture's a little bit blurry, so yeah. Okay, so we put this on the side and we're gonna do gold one. So this box is very thin. You can see it's iPhone 12 Pro only with the cable. Doesn't say gigabytes here anymore, only over here. So we're gonna open it. Comes in plastic like this. Sometimes it's tighter, sometimes it's not so tight. This sure looks better now without plastic. More clear picture here. Hole for the camera. Here's the phone. We'll get back to it in a little bit. So we have manual, SIM tool, Apple sticker, and some paper. Yeah, you don't even get the picture of the phone anymore. Okay. Cable, lightning to USB-C. Okay, so now this is same with the most of new Androids. Okay, so you need a wall charger like this. So this one is 18 watt. You can buy 20. It's pretty much the same. So this goes into power outlet and this goes into phone. Okay, you can still use your old wall charger and cable like this. So this one is probably from iPhone 4 or 5 or something. So you can still use the old one same way. It's just gonna be slower to charge, much slower. No fast charging, you know, so that's why now it comes with this one, and you'll have to buy something like that. Okay, so let's look at the phone. Here's the phone. This is the phone. Okay, don't touch the plastic. Gold. This color is actually like very similar to the color of the real pure gold. This is the color. Over here it's kind of goldish off-white, and this like white thing on the camera, this is probably the this looks like the cheapest part of the phone. Is like this thing. Yeah. This brand new phone came like this, and this thing is like semi-opened or something. It's like pops out so much. It's turn on, turn off. Okay, so I have like this over here. Volume buttons. As you press, it's purple a little bit. So that's how the phone looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos for other iPhone 12 colors and Pro Max and all other videos. Thank you.